Hello, 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 hello. Good morning, Team Kadubadu. Welcome back to Kadubadu. Today, Kadubadu is going to do something different as usual. Today, Kadubadu is going to say happy Passover to his nephew in Israel. You remember the last time I was saying happy Purim to him, but today is the first day of Passover. So I want to say happy Passover to Mr. Hen. Happy Passover, Mr. Hen, and to all my other side of that family, and to all my other side of family who's celebrating Passover. Happy Passover dinner to you and your family as well. Guys, Team Kadubadu, do you know what Passover means? Would you like to know? All the Jewish people are celebrating Passover and why they are doing that? I'm gonna give you a little bit, a short resume about Passover. Passover is a huge celebrating festivals, 8 days for the Jewish peoples. They are commemorating their freedom from Egypt 3,000 years ago by removing all unleavened bread from the house. And then they have a special rituals dinner called Seder. So where everybody, the family, I'm gonna gather around the table together, singing, talking, and we told the story of Exodus. So this is Passover. And they have 2 days and that. 8 days where they not supposed to go to work or do anything. Just the cleaning of the house, get all the food was in the house, and then give it away to people. This is all Passover is celebrating. So while Kadubadu is celebrating Easter, another part of her families are celebrating Passover. If you have sisters, brother-in-laws, brothers, sister-in-laws, they got married to someone to a different nations, so they have their own culture, so we have to celebrate with them. So that's why Kadubadu is celebrating Passover. We are honoring the same God, no matter what. But everyone have to respect the culture of each other. We're not saying mine is better, yours is not good. No, it's the same God, the same love. Right, Team Kadubadu? That's why when you are in the Team Kadubadu, we are celebrating everything. Purim, Easter, you know, so on and so on other religious. So this is the culture, and it is good to know that's where all gonna gather together, and then we're gonna be a happy big family, right? That's what we need these days. We need big happy family. So I'm saying thank you, Team Kadubadu. Thank you, guys. Bisous, bisous, bisous. Love you. À tantôt. Bye. See you next time.